right, I'm gonna do a little cooking show today. First time I've ever done this. I made this Indian spice curry chicken last week, and it was just, oh man, it was really good. So I have half of the diced tomatoes and coconut milk left over. So I'm gonna make this with, I'm gonna make a half a portion with some steak that I happen to have, and I have all this stuff prepared. That's the tomatoes and coconut milk, and as you can see, we have the onions. Now, I don't use vegetable oil, so that's olive oil. Got that in there. That's only got to go for about another minute. And then gotta add the garlic and ginger. Cook it for another minute. So I'll be back. So as you can see, we have the onion very nicely caramelized here. And now we're gonna add fresh ginger. Bam! Bam! Fresh ginger. And fresh ginger and garlic, and that's only going to go for 1 minute. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And then let's see, next we're going to put in the spices: ground coriander, ground cumin, turmeric powder, chili powder, paprika, and yeah, we'll get back to that. See you soon. Now we're gonna stir in the ground coriander, cumin, turmeric powder, chili powder, and paprika. Cook for a couple minutes until all spices are toasted and fragrant. Yeah, see, I would never thought of this. To cook these spices, you know, without just throwing it in the main liquid, you know, like when you make soup. So they're actually, spices are getting toasted. This is how they do it in the Middle East, right? So we got that going. Only 2 minutes. And what do I got next? Okay, yeah, so after this we're going to throw the steak in there. About another minute from now. Alright, here's that steak going in there. With one hand. I'm trying. Alright, there she is. Start the timer. About 5 minutes of this. I just like working with a timer, you know. I'm just that kind of person. I can get time. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around here for 5 minutes, and then the liquid part's gonna go in, and I'll see you soon. Alrighty, there's that steak all nicely browned. You don't want to overcook that. 4 minutes. That was 4 minutes. Now we're going to add some diced tomatoes and coconut juice. Oh yeah, there she is. So, yeah, good coconut. I love coconut. I just love an Indian dish or Thai with coconut. Coconut just makes my day, you know. So that's really it. I mean, that really wasn't too hard. So bring that to a simmer, which it's like doing already because it's a small amount. Last time I made the full portion of this, which is double what we see here. So now we're gonna turn this down to low and let this simmer for, you gotta cover it too, right? Yeah, cover it. Cover, so you gotta get the cover here. And I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer for 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what the final product tastes like, looks like, and taste test. Bye. Oh, that's looking good. That looks good though. Alright, here we go. I'm waiting for the hour. I'm looking for a place to stay. Someplace where I can rest. And what are we gonna have with this? Chun's rice. So just crack this open and put it in the microwave for a minute. I know it sounds lame and cheating, but stuff tastes great. And convenient. With a nice celebrate here with one of these babies. I can drink beer much at all, but just yeah. A couple days ago. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm gonna sit down over here. By the fire. My fireplace. And enjoy that steak curry. Just wanted to add, you're not gonna get this at an Indian restaurant because they don't eat steak. They don't eat cows. I just thought of that. Otherwise, I'm sure they would make it, right? Okay, goodbye. All right, here's one more. I just wanted to add this because my old good buddy Jeff Turback said, Mo, you got to get some real beer glasses. So this is Jeff's idea of a real beer glass, and I think it is a wonderful glass. So we're just going to see if I could do this while watching the video. I'm just going to pour that in there. Weiss beer, you want to shake it up a little bit. Get a nice head on it. And look at that. I mean, who's down with that? Day is over and darkness come with mighty wings. The seagull's head is tired, and when he's tired, then he sings. Hot scent. I'm walking in the hot scent. Making love on the hot scent. Together with you. I'm waiting for the hour, I'm looking for a place to stay. Some place where I can rest and think about the empty day. Hot scent. I'm walking in the hot scent. Making love on the hot scent. Together with you. Hot scent. I'm walking in the hot scent. Making love on the hot scent.
together with I'm waiting for the hour, I'm looking for a place to stay. Some place where I can rest and not think about the end today. If you wonder why, baby, if you wonder what you hear, it's useless to describe, babe, don't wonder of what's in your ear. Hot scent feels so good on the hot scent. I'm strolling in the hot scent together with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.